Hi guys, today we're going to make Sri Lankan style chicken curry, but before we get to it, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below and the little notification bell next to it so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now let's get started. I have 2 pounds of chicken and we're going to marinate this first. So I'm marinating it with half a teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon crushed black pepper, half teaspoon chili powder, and 1 teaspoon roasted curry powder. And if you don't know how to make roasted curry powder, I'm placing a link right above, so just go ahead and click that. We're going to add in a tablespoon of white vinegar, and a tablespoon of soy sauce. We're going to marinate this, we're going to mix it, and we're going to leave it for about half an hour. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to start heating some oil in a pot. So I have about 5 tablespoons here, and I'm heating it on medium heat. And to this, I'm going to add in some curry leaves and half a stick of cinnamon. Let that fry for about a minute, minute and a half till you can smell the curry leaves aroma. And now I'm going to add in 1 chopped onion. And we're going to fry it for a couple of minutes. Now I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 2 tablespoons garlic paste. We're going to fry this for about a minute. Just sort of let it start to release some of the flavor. Now to this, I'm going to add in my marinated chicken. And along with the marinated chicken, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of roasted curry powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Now you can adjust these to your own taste. And then we're going to fry this together for about 5 minutes. If you feel like it's starting to stick, just add in a little bit of water, like a tablespoon at a time. I just like to keep a little glass of water beside me, and I just kind of drop in a few drops just to ensure this doesn't stick to the bottom. So here I'm going to drop in a little bit of water, just like that. And I have my heat set on medium high, which is on a numbered dial, like my stove. It's set on number 7. Okay, so after 5 minutes, I'm gonna add in 3/4 cup coconut milk. And if you're using a powdered coconut milk, like my mixture here, you're gonna add in 2/3 cup water with 1/3 cup coconut powder milk to get the amount that you're looking for. Otherwise, you can use the canned coconut milk, which is a 3/4 cup you would use. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a good stir. And to this, I'm also gonna add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So it's 1 and 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Cover. And we're gonna cook this on medium. So I'm gonna bring my dial down to the medium setting, which is 5 or 6 on a numbered dial. Okay. Gonna leave it like that, and we're gonna cook this for 20 minutes on medium heat, covered. Okay, so this is after 10 minutes. We're gonna continue cooking this for another 10 minutes. Okay, so now 20 minutes are up. Okay, so this has been cooking on medium heat for 20 minutes. Oops. can already see. So the reason we covered and cooked it is because we don't want any of the coconut milk to evaporate, or we don't want it to evaporate too much, right? So now we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of tomato puree. We're gonna mix this up. And I like to add the tomato in because coconut milk is naturally very sweet, and the tomato adds that little bit of tartness to the curry so that it's not too sweet. So it just kind of helps to balance out the sweetness of the coconut milk. Cook this for another 4 to 5 minutes uncovered. I have some various kinds of peppers here, whatever I had at home. So we have some green chilies, and I have some banana peppers. I'm just gonna throw those in here too. And then we have some fresh coriander. I'm gonna put all that in here. This just adds a nice little flavor and also some color. So that's it. Our curry is ready. Now at this point you can taste it if you want to adjust the salt or anything. This one is a little bit on the spicier side, so if you don't like your food too spicy, decrease the amount of the chili powder that we added to the curry, like to the gravy portion. And here is our bowl of delicious Sri Lankan chicken curry. This curry is so tasty, it's so flavorful, and it tastes amazing with Sri Lankan fried rice, but also Sri Lankan noodles, which I'm going to be posting a video up of that soon. If you take those noodles and just pour this chicken over top and eat it, oh my goodness, it is so delicious. Anyways, I hope you guys try out this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment in the section down below. I always love to hear from you, and if you guys do try it out, do let me know what you thought, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.